Hello again, Dave here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit what what the menu says. All right, so you can actually personalize this. You can do whatever you want to, and then on top of that, I'm going to show you how to do some SEO for these specific pages. Now, if you haven't done so, subscribe, like, and share because again, sharing is caring. And another disclaimer, if you don't see these things or you're unable to do this, it's not so much of a you issue. It's whatever plan you have, or if you're on a team or in a brokerage that may or may not allow you to do so. That could be it. So if you don't see any of this stuff, make sure you go to your broker or team leader and say, hey, I want this stuff, and see if it works. All right. So if you click on page on the left side, it's going to pull up all of the pages. Now, if I want to change, right now it says buy up here. Well, I don't like that. So if I hit the little gearbox, I can change buy to buy home. Boom. Now it says buy a home, but that's quite big. So I'm gonna fix that here. Boom. Buy a home. Now, under buy a home, you can change these as well. So we'll go here, but now what's going to happen? This is just a folder, as you can see. These are the actual sites. So if you're going to do this, you want to hit the gearbox. It's going to open up something different. So the page name is going to be all listings, and then display type. Okay, however you want to look at it. But if you click this box here, it's going to show you your SEO. So it's going to automatically pull in homes for sale, your name, company name. But if you want to add any keywords, you're more than welcome to do so. So maybe it's Twin Cities real estate, Bloomington, Minnesota homes for sale. So let's say we'll put in Bloomington, MN homes for sale. If you hit enter, oops, comma, sale, jeez, sale. So you do these commas, and if you hit save, it's going to have, now if you go back, SEO. There you go. So you just put commas in for your keywords. And then underneath here, page style and script, I don't mess with that. But if you're really good at coding, you can do stuff like that. But again, I don't mess with things. Main thing is I change the name to make it more attractive or whatever it is. And then I just put some keywords in there. How do you add a folder, or how do you add a page? That's great, because I'm going to show you in a separate video. But this is just how to edit this. And just like before, if you can move things around, you can put them, when it's that big dark bar there, as you can see, that moves it over here. But if you move it if you move it to about, for example, see how it turns blue again, it's going to go underneath it to show it there. But I don't want it there. I'm going to put it right next to the trusted vendors. Boom. So yeah, you can modify things. If you go down to the hidden navigation, these are some things here that you can, if you drag it up. Yeah. Like the team, you can drag this up. These are just editing, or a partner lender. If you have a lender partner, you can put them there. So that pulls up there, and you can modify that. But again, I don't have a lender partner that I exclusively work with because I don't believe in it. So we're just gonna put that underneath there. Boom. There you go, back to there. So again, if you're doing these modifications to these, make sure you go under the save it and then publish it. So we'll publish it here. Great. Now it's published. Let's go back to the about David. So there we go. So yeah, that's how you change things. So like, for example, here about David, I clicked here. You can have about you, about whatever. So then about David Nelson. Save. So then the URL is going to be, so if I go up here to about David Nelson, now it's going to publish, sorry. Now if I hit, it'll say about David Nelson on this page, because now it's a different page. Let's go to about David Nelson. So now you can't see it, but on the top of the toolbar, it says davidnelsonsaleshomes.com / about David Nelson because I modified it in here. That's it. That's how to tweak this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add a folder and then add a page. And That's pretty cool. Have a great day and make sure you like, subscribe, and share.